Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss some clues on translating verbal statements to mathematical symbols using subtraction. Actually, this is a continuation to my last uploaded video. If you have not watched it yet, just click the link given below. The following are some clues that are very useful when translating verbal statements to mathematical symbols, like difference, subtracted from, decreased by, minus, less than, deducted by, diminished by, exceed, lowered by, less, or subtract. Now, all of these terms here bring the process of subtraction. Note that the mathematical symbols before and after these phrases will retain their position during the translation, except the phrase subtracted from and less than. For example, a number n minus 2. Now, in this case, we have here the phrase minus. So for the symbols before and after the phrase, it means we are going to retain and we are going to translate these verbal statements. So it means we may write this one as n, symbol for minus, we have this 2. So you can see the position of the two symbols are retained. Another example is x less than y. Now, we have the phrase less than. So when translating this verbal statement, it means y minus x. As you observed here, the symbols before and after the phrase are interchanged. So this is restricted for less than phrase. Another one is for the phrase subtracted from. So say, for example, if we have x subtracted from y. So again, to translate this verbal statement, when we have subtracted from phrase, we will interchange the symbols before and after the phrase. So it is not x minus y, but it is y minus x. Now let's have further example to elaborate the concepts. Say a number y is diminished by 5. Now take note here, we have our phrase diminished by. Now in this case, we mean we have y minus 5. So the position will be retained. The position of the symbols before and after the phrase will be retained. Now in our next example, 8 less than n. So take note, we have here our phrase less than. It means we are going to interchange n and 8. So we have n minus 8. This is our mathematical symbols when we translate the verbal statement 8 less than n. Now next example, a number n is subtracted from 7. Notice that we have this phrase subtracted from. Again, the symbol before and after the phrase will be interchanged. So it becomes 7 minus n. Follow? It's not n minus 7, but it's 7 minus n. Okay, for our next example, we have 50 less a number x. So our phrase here is less. It means the position of the symbols before and after the phrase will retain. So it means 50 less minus, we have a number x, we have x, for is means equal to 40. So this is our mathematical translation. 50 minus x is equal to 40, means 50 less a number x is 40. So that's it. It's activity time. Let x be the number. So a number minus 54 is 25. So translate this one to mathematical symbols. The answer is x minus 54 is equal to 25. So take note, we have here the symbol, the phrase rather, minus, then a number is, we let it as x, and then minus 54 is equal to 25. So that's why we have this answer. Next, the difference of a number and 4 is 11. So the answer is x minus 4 is equal to 11. So we're using here difference. Say difference, we're going to subtract, and the symbol should be in order. So we start from a number x, difference minus, then we have 4 is 11. Okay, next, a number decreased by 9 is 12. The answer is x minus 9 is equal to 12. Now notice here that we used decreased by. So again, the symbols before and after the phrase will retain. So we have here a number x, then decreased by minus 9 is 12. So that's why we have this. A number less than 5 is 2. The answer is 5 minus x is 2. Now notice here that we have the phrase less than. So as I have said a while ago, if we have the phrase less than, the symbol before and after the phrase will be interchanged. So we have here, before is a number x, and then after is 5. So we will interchange the two. It becomes 5. Then the symbol for less than minus x is means equal to 2. So that's it. Thank you for watching until the end of this video. If you want to watch more videos from our channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell. Sharing this video to others means showing your care for them to learn. God bless everyone. Do not forget to spread the love and care. Bye.